everyone. I'm changing up art lessons with Lisa for the school year. We're going to change it to art history lessons with Lisa. Now, don't let the word history scare you. It is not going to be boring. If you know anything about artists, you know that they led, shall we say, some very colorful lives. Pun intended. In this series, we will explore the lives and art of some of the world's most famous artists. Each artist's lesson will last about 8 weeks. You'll be given a folder with info and worksheets. There will be videos to watch on YouTube and a short reading selection for you to read on your own first. Now make sure to do that first, because if you do the art activities first, you won't understand why you're doing it. For each worksheet or art activity, I will post a short video here on the library's Facebook page. In between art activities, please feel free to watch other videos by browsing YouTube and searching for artists we are learning about. But remember that opinions about art vary from person to person, and facts often conflict depending on who is doing the reporting. So take things with a grain of salt. I also have a collection of books and even movies about the artists available to check out at the library. So please come in and check out that selection. Finally, I am providing an art kit for you to check out so that you will have all of the supplies you'll need to complete the art activities. You may use the supplies during the span of the art series and return it at the end of the artist session so that others can use the kits for the next artist session. There will be a list of supplies in the kit to help you keep track of your supplies. Your artwork is yours to keep, but we would love for you to post your art on Instagram, USCL, and then fill in the blank for the artist that we're doing. For example, this time would be USCL Picasso. And also, we would absolutely love it if you would bring your final art pieces in so that we could display them here at the library. It will be such fun to see what you guys have come up with in your artistic adventure. Packets are ready to be picked up today at the library. Also, again, here are the dates for the videos for the activities. This information is also available in your packet. Which brings me to the final thing is I want to make sure that you read this before you start the packet. This info can be found in your packet, so read it thoroughly. The author, Sabrina Wingren, was very kind to let us use her workbook and her work in this way. She did a lot of work on this, so please follow the rules. Please check her out at her space, a space to create art.com. You can also find other great packets like this at a site, Teachers Pay Teachers, has lots of great resources for homeschooling and teachers and librarians and anybody that needs things like this. So please check it out. Thanks. I hope you are as excited as I am to start this series, and I hope to see you soon at the library. Bye.